Hello guys, welcome to Junior Fixal. In this very tutorial, we are going to perform CRUD operation in C# with MySQL as a database. So over here in Visual Studio 2022, you're going to see this when you open the application. So you're going to select create a new project. So you're going to click here. And in fact, we're going to be using UI, not a console app. So we are going to select Windows app. It's over here, you can find it here as well. So when you select it, then you click next. They're going to give your app a name. So you're going to say my app, then click next. Alright, okay, so here we are in our new project. We are going to see this form here, and over here these are our resources, or the resources for the project, and these are the properties of this very form here. So I'm going to right click here, then change the name of the form, and let's say student. Alright, go ahead and accept the change. Then over here I'm going to change the form title. So you're going to say this is student form. Alright, hit enter. You can go ahead and save the changes. And over here we are going to use some text field and labels. So I'm going to click the toolbox here. If you can't find it, it's over here. When you click the view, then you go to toolbox here. That's it. So over here I'm going to search for label here. Alright, label, and I'm going to search for a text field or a text box. Oh, that's it. Alright, let's go ahead and format it. For both of them, we are going to use 14 text font size of 14, so that's it. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate them. Let's see. Alright, so I'm going to call this one. You select it, then you come here, then say student ID. Student ID. Let's shape this one. Alright. Then over here we're going to see name. Then here we're going to say email. Sorry, email. Then here we are going to say program. Program. So there's it. We need the names of these text boxes here. So go ahead and we go to verify name. Then we say this is student ID. student ID text. Then this one I'm going to say name text. Then this one is email test. Then I'm going to say program tests. Let's say prog tests, and let's save it. Alright, so over here, let's push it to the side a bit. Okay, yes, and open this a bit wider. We're going to search for data grid view. Yeah, this. This is it. And in fact, you can design it however you want. That's not the purpose of the tutorial actually. So you can go ahead and do it however you want it. The grid color, everything however you want it. Just like I said, you can go ahead. When you right click and you select properties, you're going to see the properties of the form. What I want to do is to change the background color. So let's see. Okay, so this is okay, and let's change the name. In fact, we need a name. So let's see, student data. Alright, then we're going to need some buttons. So we're going to search for buttons. So right here, this button is of font size of let's give it 14 as well. Alright. Go ahead and duplicate them. Alright, so over here we are going to say add, then let's change the font color, so let's say white, then the background color for add or create is mostly green. That's like green, yeah. And this one we're going to choose, let's say crimson. I don't know why I like crimson. Anything related to red, I prefer crimson. Just like I said, you can go ahead and design it however you want. But over here, that's not the purpose of the tutorial. So this button, we're going to say update. So we didn't change the name. Update. Then we change the color to white. Then the background color, something blue or violet will do. Okay, this one here, yeah, this one will do. So let's change the name of this. Text delete. Alright, okay, we didn't change their names, so this one is add button, this one is delete button. In fact, we need the names to perform some operation, so update button. So that's it. That's it for the front end. One thing I want to talk about is over here, if you see these text boxes, if you want to get their values, you're going to use the text. So I'm going to show you over here. So I've clicked one, so I'm going to change the text. Let's say ID, or let me put some figures here. Yes, that's it. So if you want to get the values of those text boxes, we're going to use the text, and for the grid view, we're going to use the data source. Alright, so we are going to delete this. So let's run the application and see what we've got so far. Okay, so after running the program, this is what we have for our front end. I think for now this is it. This is going to be our front end. In the next tutorial, we're going to create a back end and link the database with the front end. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.